And moving on to example 4 on page 245 in your book, so follow along. You are dividing integers again, and it says find what? Number 4 says find negative 14 divided by negative 7. I'm not too fond of that form, but anyways, I'll put it down as negative 14 divided by negative 7. And so the division rules say divide as normal, and so it would be 2. So if we stop, drop, divide, we would get 2. And then you need to count the negatives. Here's one negative sign, here's another negative sign. So it's an even amount, so the answer is positive because it's the opposite of a negative, which is positive. And moving on to example 5 on the same page, 245. Let's look at this one. And this one sets it up as an algebra or a fraction. So it's negative 27 over negative 3. And here, again, it's a division with negative signs. So we need to look at the negative rules. And dividing says you divide as normal, and you get 9. Now you count your negative signs, 1 and 2. It's an even number, so your answer is positive 9. And example 6, let's see if we can squeeze this one in. Here it says evaluate, and that's a fancy word for saying solve. And number 6 says negative 16 divided by x if x equals negative 4. And so we're going to put that in parentheses. So this is really an algebra question. So you've got your problem, negative 16 divided by x. And so we're going to rewrite that, negative 16 divided by x. But x is negative 4. So we're going to go negative 16. We're going to substitute in divided by negative 4. That's a 4. And so we have a division problem here. And 16 divided by 4, so we can stop, drop, divide on the problems that get harder. We know how to format. And we get 4. And the answer is a positive 4 because there are an even amount of negative signs. So the answer is pository 4. Thank you. Bye-bye.